Welcome to Touring Globe. Join us as we explore the world's most beautiful places and share our travel adventures. Subscribe for tips, stories, and inspiration. Traveling internationally with kids can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning to ensure everything goes smoothly. Here's a comprehensive guide covering clothing, visas, packing, and other essentials. 1. Clothing. Comfort is key. Dress your kids in layers for the flight. Airplanes can be chilly, but kids can also get warm, so layers allow for easy adjustment. Choose soft, breathable fabrics like cotton. Change of clothes. Pack at least one full change of clothes in your carry-on for each child. This includes underwear, socks, and even an extra pair of shoes in case of spills or accidents. Footwear. Slip-on shoes or sandals are ideal for easy removal during security checks and comfort during the flight. Seasonal wear. Depending on your destination, pack appropriate seasonal clothing. For colder climates, ensure you have enough layers, hats, gloves, and warm socks. For warmer destinations, pack light clothing, hats, and sun protection. 2. Visas and documentation. Passports. Ensure all passports are up to date and have at least 6 months of validity remaining. Some countries require this for entry. Visas. Research visa requirements well in advance. Some countries require visas for children even if the parents don't. Some visas are available on arrival, but others need to be obtained beforehand. Consent letters. If traveling with only one parent, a notarized letter of consent from the other parent might be required. This is also important for guardians traveling with children who are not their own. Copies of documents. Carry both physical and digital copies of all important documents, including passports, visas, and any medical records. 3. Packing essentials. Snacks. Pack a variety of healthy snacks that your kids enjoy. Airlines may not always offer kid-friendly options, and delays can mean longer waits for meals. Entertainment. Bring books, tablets with headphones, coloring books, and small toys. Download movies, games, and educational apps beforehand. Comfort items. Pack a favorite blanket, pillow, or stuffed animal to help your child sleep on the plane. Medications. Carry any essential medications in your carry-on, along with a small first aid kit including band-aids, pain relievers, and any motion sickness remedies your child might need. Diapers and wipes. If you're traveling with a baby or toddler, pack enough diapers and wipes for the entire flight, plus extra in case of delays. Include disposable changing pads and diaper cream. Baby supplies. If traveling with a baby, bring formula, bottles, and baby food. Most airlines allow you to bring a stroller and car seat at no extra charge. 4. Airport and in-flight tips. Arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time at the airport for check-in, security, and finding your gate. Children can slow the process, so buffer in extra time. Pre-boarding. Take advantage of family boarding if offered. This allows you extra time to settle in before the rush of other passengers. Seat selection. If possible, book seats in advance. Consider bulkhead seats for more legroom or seats closer to the bathroom. Keep your family together by booking seats in a row. Stroller and carrier. Use a lightweight, collapsible stroller for the airport. A baby carrier is also useful for hands-free movement. 5. Health and safety. Vaccinations. Check if your destination requires specific vaccinations or health precautions. This is especially important when traveling to certain regions. Hydration. Airplane cabins are dry, so encourage your kids to drink water regularly during the flight. Bring an empty water bottle to fill after security. Ear pressure. For takeoff and landing, offer chewing gum, pacifiers, or bottles to help relieve ear pressure. 6. Arrival and adjusting to a new time zone. Jet lag management. Gradually adjust your child's sleep schedule a few days before departure to match your destination's time zone. After arrival, try to get them outside in natural light to help reset their internal clock. Stay organized. Use a travel organizer for documents and keep your itinerary handy. Knowing the address of your accommodation and any transport details will make the arrival smoother. 7. Security and customs. Global entry, pre-check. If you travel often, consider enrolling in programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry, which can expedite security and customs processes. Explain the process. Prepare older children for security checks, explaining that they'll need to remove their shoes and jackets and place items on the conveyor belt. 8. Money and currency. Currency exchange. Exchange some money before you leave or use ATMs at your destination for local currency. Make sure your credit cards work internationally and inform your bank about your travel plans. 9. Emergency contacts. List of contacts. Keep a list of emergency contacts, including your country's embassy, local authorities, and your accommodation. Teach older kids your phone number and how to reach you in an emergency. Following these tips will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable international flight experience with your kids. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Touring Globe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.